Howdy, Possum Patty here, little Titi's here too. And today we're going to tell you about the Temu Influencer Program. You might recognize this orange package with the Temu logo on it. And they have a special program, and if your social media channel qualifies, they send you a special catalog to choose $50 worth of free items from. So come on along. Excuse the crinkling, but I'm just going to open this right now. And this took a little bit longer to come because of one item that I ordered, and I said that was fine. I didn't care about the delay in shipping because it was something I wanted. And I got a few things. I didn't get a lot of things. I got a few things that I really wanted. And I'm going to open this big one first. And it's in a beautiful, look at that, storage bag, Ziploc. I hope I didn't cut into it when I was opening the package. I may have. Yeah, I did. Oh no, that's just an air hole down there. And you know I love my my fleeces and my fluffy jackets in the wintertime. And look at this, Titi, look at this. It is so super soft. All right, let's see. And it has buttons on it, and I love buttons. It's a jacket or sweater, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, a hoodie. We can call it a hoodie. It's a fleece hoodie, and it has these lovely wooden buttons on it, and I got a large size, so I could wear it over things in the house. So I'm going to just go ahead and try it on right now. I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes because it is so cozy, and go over to the table and show you the other items. Everything came in these really nice shipping bags that I bet you can save to store things in, because there's Ziploc at the top. And in this bag, there are 2 packs of yarn, glow yarn. Now these yarns are supposed to, believe it or not, glow in the dark. And I got purple and green because those seemed like the most Halloween-y colors, Halloweeny colors that I saw there. So I'm going to let these charge up in the light a little bit, and then I will take those into the closet and show you if they do glow in the dark. So I'm going to put those under the lamp. There's no sun out today, or else I put them outside for a few minutes. Definitely going to save these bags for storage. There is some more yarn. Ooh, oh, look at this. It's like a pale pink, very, very soft. It's almost as soft as this is. And this is soft on the inside too. Look at this. Ooh, this is lovely. It's like a little pink rabbit. What can I make with this? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Definitely going to make something out of this. Pale pink, soft, 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 soft yarn. Okay, I'm going to put that bag back into this little bag here. And then open up the last item. And this is the item I think that delayed shipping a little bit, but that's okay. And this is a set of beads. Now, what I liked about this set, and it comes in this case, and it's got all kinds of things in there. Let me just get the plastic off here for a second. There we go. I gotta be careful so Kiki doesn't eat the plastic. You know, there's like 1,000 beads in here, but what I liked about this, and this is what I wanted it for mostly right there. Oh, it's got clips on the sides. Oh, it's got one on the top and two on the side. Oh, I see, and it goes this way. And one over there. Wow. Look at the gorgeous colors on these beads, but look at them. They're soft and they're flat. And I thought, oh my gosh, those would be gorgeous to do sewing with. Now you can either sew it through the middle, put a bead and go back down again. I have lots of little beads, or it actually comes with beads here, doesn't it? It comes with, oh look, it comes with a smiley face and these little hearts. Oh, I love these tiny hearts. Oh, and look, look, look. Look at the little happy faces, and these are beads. Oh my gosh. And I guess there's things to make jewelry with. I'm not too much into making jewelry, but I could do dangles for journals, tassels and things like that. I was just thinking about sewing with these beads, but look, it comes with puka shells and charms. There's a dolphin, a snowflake, a clover, a starfish, a sea turtle, a key, a seahorse, and a leaf. And lots of these little puka shells here. And then there's letters. Oh, look at this. Letters. Letters. And what I like about these are small. Small enough to do sewing on little tags and journaling cards, or on a cover of a journal even. You can spell out somebody's name. There's a lot in here too. And I love these little happy faces, charms, and these are what? O-rings? O-rings. Little lobster claws, and those little rings that you use to join together pieces, and there's something else in there too. I think those are parts to make earrings. And then there is this pack of, oh, little gold beads. And these are like stars and flat round ones and little square ones too. Wow. This is like a whole kit here that if you're into making jewelry, or you know someone that's into making jewelry, and this is the, you know, that stretchy stuff to make the little bracelets with. And there's two different ones here. What is this? This is another kind. Two different kinds. I'm not a jewelry maker, so I can't describe all this to you. But here is a nice pair of tweezers. Ooh, works good. Don't lose these, Possum Patty. And some wires. Oh, I think you can bend these around beads and like put them on earrings and things like that. Like I said, I'm not a jewelry maker. If you are, you can talk about these things down in the basement there. I call it down in the basement. That's what Linda calls it. Oh, and look at this. Snippers. That's probably to cut the elastic or the wires with. So they give you everything here to create jewelry. But what I'm going to be doing with most of this is sewing. So this is my little Just Because sewing book. You see I've got some buttons on the outside. I made this out of Vera Bradley pocketbook. And see how I love to sew in beads and buttons and all kinds of stitches. I got some seed beads in there, some more buttons, trims and laces, a pin. And this is where you just practice stitching, practice sewing ideas. This one I had gotten some shiny threads and I just sewed around circles. This has to get sewn in yet. This was my little bird house. And this one I'm working on, just stitching on some peacock feathers. And that's as far as I've gotten so far. Now Linda D over at Linda's Mixed Up Mess, she's doing like a little panel, one a week for 52 weeks. And she's making a quilt. I said, well, I can join in on that and do one panel a week for in my little book here. But I haven't gotten started on that yet. I mean, the book is started. I just need to start doing the pages. So I thought these would make wonderful little pages. I can do all kinds of designs with these little beads. They're soft and they're flat. And what can I do with those? I'll come up with a page in my book with these. And like I said, there's like 1,000 of them in here. So this is my Temu influencer haul. And I love this box. Closes up like that. Beautiful. I will charge these up, and at the end I'll see if they glow in the dark. And I've got my soft yarn. So these are my journaling supplies. Even sewing is journaling for me because it's in my little sewing journal, and the yarn I can use in journals too. Make tassels and use them on tags, and I actually do crocheting in some of my journals, so there's so much I can do with all of this. Here are the 2 skeins of glow-in-the-dark yarn. They've only been under the lamp for a few minutes, so I'm going to leave them out because, you know, they were wrapped in a black wrapper, so they haven't received any light lately. Usually with glow-in-the-dark things, they've got to be in the light for a while before they glow in the dark. The light sort of activates it. So I'm going to flip them over. And the side that was not in the lamp, as you can see, not really charged up yet. But this side is. So there they are, glowing in the dark. These are going to be really, really fun to put in my haunted house Halloween journal. So thank you for coming along today and letting me share my Temu influencer haul with you today. And I will leave the link to Temu below, plus the link to their influencer program below. So thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.